Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to add a featured channel in your YouTube channel or in your YouTube account. Let's start. So here is my channel ASTube, and you can come here by clicking this. Here you can find Creator Studio, and when you will click on Creator Studio you will be directed into this page, and here you will find View Channel. So you have to click on it, and you will be directed to this page, and here you will find featured channels, and here the add channels. So you got to click here, and now you have to enter the channel username or URL which you want to add in your channel. So I already got a channel URL and I will paste it here, and let's see, and I will press add here, and let's see, this is Ayan Sarkar's YouTube channel, and I will add it. Let's see, look, featured channels, and the Ayan Sarkar's channel has been added here. So whenever you will visit to my channel you will find a featured channel, and if you click here you will be directed to that YouTube channel. So this is Ayan Sarkar's channel. The videos the YouTuber has uploaded, and it's a quite impressive channel. So he has also added few channels here. So that's it. That is how you can add featured channels in your YouTube page. Thanks for watching.